So guys, today I'm gonna show you the different shadows of the animals. The first shadow is the butterfly. The second shadow is the dog. The third shadow is the rabbit. The fourth shadow is the bird. The fifth shadow is the cat.